Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a chili. It's cold outside, it's winter here and starts snowing. I just thought I'm just gonna make chili. And these are all the ingredients: onion, ground beef, chili powder, cumin powder, sugar, chickpeas, red kidney beans, tomato sauce, water, and this is garlic powder, salt, ground black pepper, and beef bouillon. I will start cooking here. I add here about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I will add the spices. This is 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, or 1.5 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, this is 2 cups of water, and a beef, 1 beef bouillon, add a tomato sauce, and 1 can red kidney beans, about 540 ml. I just add the juice too. I like the juice of the red kidney beans. And chickpeas, about 540 ml. I will simmer this for about 25 minutes or half an hour. And see you later. My chili is ready. I'm just gonna eat for my lunch. And see you later. And I will taste my chili here. Taste about right. Chili and a piece of bread. It's a big slice of bread that I baked 2-3 days ago. The whole wheat bread with flax seeds. Let's put some butter in it. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.